In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fields to Zoho CRM. We're going to walk through where to go, what to click, and how to think about the settings so you capture exactly the data your team needs. By the end, you'll know the right place to add fields and how to keep your layouts clean and useful. Start by heading to your Zoho CRM account and signing in with a profile that has permission to customize. If you don't see the options I'm showing, you may need admin access or a higher privilege role. Once you're in, look for the settings area. It's typically the gear icon near the top right of the screen. Click that to open the central setup panel. This is where all your customization lives, and it's the safest path to make structure changes without digging through individual records. Inside Setup, find the Customization section and choose Modules and Fields. This is the Layout Editor and Field Management Hub. From here, select the module where you want your custom fields to appear, like leads, contacts, accounts, or any other module you're using. When the module layout opens, you'll see the existing sections and fields, as well as a panel with different field types you can add. Drag the field type you need into the layout. For simple text, use single line. For longer notes, use multi-line. Use pick list for standardized choices, date or date time for scheduling, number, currency, or percent for metrics, and checkbox for quick yes or no data. Give each field a clear label that matches the language your team uses, and consider adding a description or tooltip to guide users on what belongs there. If the information is essential, mark it as required, but only when truly necessary to keep forms easy to complete. Place related fields together in sections and avoid creating duplicate fields with similar meanings. Consistency here will make reporting and automation much easier later. If you realize the data belongs in a brand new area of the CRM rather than an existing module, use the Create New Module option. Give the module a name that's clear and business-friendly, set the permissions so the right teams can see and edit it, and think about relationships to other modules so your data connects in useful ways. After creating a module, you'll add fields to its layout the same way as before. When you're done, save your changes and test by creating a sample record. Confirm the fields appear, validate any rules, and make sure the layout is intuitive. That's it. Your custom fields are ready to power better data and smarter workflows.